My family and friends, Ageless cream, and I'll show you how to use it. My friends, here is the Ageless cream. This is Ageless, and I open it, and I will try to use it today, and I'll show you in a little bit.
If you could find the secret to making your skin look 10 years younger within minutes of application, while at the same time helping to rebuild skin tissue and leave your skin looking healthier and more radiant each and every time you use it. Well, for the first time ever, the secret is revealed. Hi, I'm Gretchen Jensen. As former Miss USA and Miss Universe second runner-up, I get introduced to about every product on the market. With top research and science going into this incredible formula, new Ageless Anti-Aging Serum is already receiving international recognition by models, doctors, estheticians, celebrities, and most importantly, average people just like you and me. This breakthrough product is rewriting the book on skincare, and in a market full of lotions and creams for every type of skin imperfection, many of our customers are calling Ageless the best skincare product in the industry. Ageless includes ingredients like collagen and elastin to plump and firm your skin, helping to erase wrinkles and leave your skin looking and feeling younger within minutes. Combine that with some of the most powerful antioxidant extracts like acai, mangosteen, pomegranate, goji, and noni, the long-term effects are even more impressive. In fact, we're so confident that you will absolutely love this product from the first time you use it that